6055 Moore Drive. The sellers have found their home of choice and are ready for you to make this meticulously maintained house your spectacular home. This nearly 8,800 square foot home sits on a large level lot and fenced-in yard, shaded patio, and an in-ground pool. This stunning home has many beautiful features and amenities. Let's start with the entryway. From the moment you enter this home, you're greeted with an open floor plan, the 2-store foyer, hardwood floors, custom iron rod spindles on the wooden stairway, and so much more. The oversized office has French doors, custom built-in bookshelves, recessed lighting, crown molding, and a wall of windows. It's a wonderful place to work or to study. Next is the formal living room that has hardwood floors, and it opens to the foyer and the dining room. The formal dining room is bright and spacious. Next is the kitchen. It's in cook's delight. With top-of-the-line granite countertops, Jenn Air stainless steel appliances, a huge center island, walk-in pantry, tall cherry cabinets, and a tiled floor. This bright and cheery kitchen is a perfect place for entertaining friends and family. And connected to the kitchen is a large workstation, a breakfast area which opens up into a sunroom with a pellet stove that overlooks the in-ground pool, the patio, and the yard. Next is the must-see 2-story family room. There are beautiful hardwood floors, a fireplace, and stunning floor-to-ceiling windows. The windows in this room are amazing. Just wait until you see the master bedroom and the master bathroom. It will take your breath away. The master is huge with a sitting area, fireplace, tray ceilings, walkout balcony, and meticulously maintained hardwood floors. And then there's the master bath. Vaulted ceilings, tiled floors, a his side and a her side, both with walk-in closets, a double glass shower, and a huge jacuzzi soaking tub. This is an amazing space to wake up to every morning. The rest of the second floor includes 3 oversized bedrooms, 2 full baths, a sitting area that overlooks and takes advantage of the massive windows in the family room. This is a wonderful place to relax at the end of a long day or just to take in the colors as the leaves change. The finished walkout basement is a favorite place to relax. The French doors open out to the shaded patio, in-ground pool, and the spectacular yard. There's a state-of-the-art home theater with a 3D projector, screen, and surround sound speakers and raised tier flooring. There is also a large workout room, full-size wet bar, and a huge common area. Plus, there's a large bedroom and a full bathroom, making this a perfect in-law suite or guest suite. With all the custom features and the spectacular curb appeal of this home is ready for you to enjoy and to impress. So don't miss out. This home has something for everyone. Stop on by. 6055 Moore in the quiet, secluded, and prestigious neighborhood of Pinebrook Farm. It's the perfect house to call home.